Hi, I will show you the derivation of a sigmoid function which is used in artificial neural network. Before that, I will show you some derivations. Let's say f(x) is equal to a times x over 3. The derivation form of it is a times 3 times x minus 1 power, which is 2. The other is, let's say, fx function is equal to e over 4x. Derivative form of it is 4 times e over the same power. And let's show another derivation. Let's say fx is equal to another function divided by another function hx. Let's say the derivative form of it is equal g derivations times hx minus gx times hx minus divided by hx times hx. Let's start to derive the sigmoid function. Fx is equal 1 divided by 1 plus e over minus x. Let's say this part of it is gx and this part is hx. The derivative form of x is, the derivation of 1 is 0 times hx, it's 1 plus e over minus x minus gx times derivation of this function, this is 0 and this is minus 1 time e over the same divided by 1 e over x times the same, like this. This is 0 it makes plus e over x divided by this one 1. Yeah. If we take it out of the brackets, one of them, and put here 1 plus and minus 1, that is 2. If you sum them, it makes 0. It makes 1 divided by over minus 6. With this one, it becomes 1 minus 1 divided by 1 x. Yeah, fx function, we can just take it 1 x f 1 minus here also f, and it makes f times 1 minus f. This, because we can also make like this one, f derivative from x equal to this one. Thank you for watching.